And this is what we provide. We have great solutions revolving around the AI, from BasePod AI, from SuperPod with NVIDIA.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tech Talk by Logicom. We're here at GITEX 2025, and I'm joined by Elie Helou, the Regional Solutions Engineer for EMEA and North Africa for NetApp. So welcome.
Thank you.
It's great to have you here with us.
Great being here as well. Thank
How's
you.
the GITEX so far for you?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's my first day. I didn't come yesterday, but it's very interesting. As usual, it's
As
GITEX.
usual, it's
The
bustling.
latest technologies and...
So let's talk about how AI is reshaping the industry altogether. Tell me what NetApp is doing with AI.
Sure. So let's start with AI, right? So everyone is interested in AI these days, and it's normal because AI is doing great stuff. It's helping organizations do a lot of things that they needed a lot of time to do before that, right?
Yeah.
So, so again, what is AI? Let's start by this.
It's
AI
ChatGPT.
Yeah, it's part of. So it's making computers behave as humans, right?
Right.
So
Yeah.
the intelligence, the decision making. But in order for you to be able to allow the computer to do that, you need to teach the computer as if you're teaching your child.
Right.
Imagine teaching your child on good basis.
Yes.
You will have a great human being, intelligent. Imagine doing the opposite,
Right.
teaching them like not good with not good input when they're a child. They will grow up to be
Yeah. So it's all
Not
about
good.
the data that you're feeding it.
exactly. So what kind of data are you feeding it? So organizations these days are rethinking how they benefit from AI, right? Because you need to have decent data to be able to have good output at the end of the day from AI. So having said all of that, this is what NetApp is doing. So NetApp, we're focusing on data solutions. What we're doing is we're giving companies intelligent data infrastructure.
Okay.
What is intelligent data infrastructure? Is not just throwing boxes at customers. We're giving them intelligence in what to do around their data, everywhere their data is, from on-prem to
Right.
edge to core to hybrid multi-cloud.
Okay.
This is key because when you have the same experience, you have you would be able to collect your data from everywhere and feed it to the AI model to get the great output at the end of the day.
So how do you ensure that the data is intelligent, it's valid, and it's true?
Exactly. So when you have a good infrastructure underneath,
Yes.
you will have a great output. And this is what we provide. We have great solutions revolving around the AI, from BasePod AI, from SuperPod with NVIDIA certified solutions, right? And then we have a great FlexPod AI solution alongside with Cisco. So by giving these solutions, we allow customers to benefit and to have a great output from data perspective.
So what are some of the biggest opportunities that partners have right now to leverage AI, in your opinion?
That's a great question. So partners have a great opportunity by benefiting from what we're providing to enable customers to educate them and to help them build their own intelligent data infrastructures.
Okay.
Because this is key for them to have great AI projects, right? So this is a great opportunity for partners. And we work a lot with partners. We educate them, we help them. We go into projects hand in hand with them in order to make sure projects are successful and to make them capable of delivering all those projects.
And because for many organizations, it's still such a novel technology, you need to really hold their hand for the entire journey from beginning to end.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So
From onboarding to...
exactly. And this is where the partners role comes.
Yeah.
So the partner is kind of the mediator, the one that at the end of the day, they're selling the solution.
Right.
We're not selling directly to the customer. We sell through the partner.
Exactly.
So the partner's role is very important in making projects work and to have a good output.
And scaling it out.
Of course.
Okay.
Definitely.
So tell me about your partnership with Logicom.
Well, we have a very good partnership. It's been running for a long time now. We're proud of that partnership. We rely on Logicom's reach. Of course, they have a very good reach.
Yes.
So we rely on their reach. We rely on their expertise. We work with their team a lot. We help each other.
Has it accelerated AI adoption?
Definitely, because they have a very good team.
Yes.
That team is focused. They're working hand in hand with partners. They do a lot of development to partners. We support each other, right? So
And because it's evolving at such a rapid pace, is it easy to catch up basically with all the novel information that's coming about with AI?
look, it's never easy with tech
Yeah.
because technology is evolving in a huge space.
Exactly, right.
Right? So we try to catch up as much as possible. This is our role as a vendor to make sure Logicom's team is well enabled. We work with them hand in hand. We make sure they're well enabled because they have a very important role to enable the partners themselves as well, and to make sure partners are enabled well and to deliver the projects to have success.
Proactively rather than
Of
reactively.
Of course, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have a very good partnership with Logicom.
Right.
We
You support each other and
of course.
and provide them with the tools and the information that they need to then disseminate to the rest of the market.
Exactly.
That's
That's the key.
That's
the key.
fantastic. And if we're gonna look ahead into the future, what would be some advice that you could give your partners, your end clients, as to how they should be leveraging AI today in order not to fall behind tomorrow and miss the boat, as they say?
My advice would be think smart.
Yeah.
Choose the solutions well, and advise your customers accordingly, because these days it's very hard for AI projects. I was reading a review from Gartner. 85 to 90% of AI projects fail. Why? The main reason is data.
Okay. So the
Data
quality
access.
of the data?
Exactly, 100%. So the quality of data is key, right? So with our intelligent infrastructure, we make sure to get a very good quality of data from wherever that data is, right? Number two, we make sure to have good data management capabilities around that data, to be able to secure that data, to do backup that data, to manage that data, to access that data, right? And number three, and the most important one, is security.
Yes.
Whatever you do,
Absolutely.
if you fall into a hack, that's it for you, right? So your data is leaked, you lose your competitive advantage. So that's why security is key. This is where we focus on. Security is a must. We have a built-in security capabilities into our operating system, ONTAP, unified operating system, for you to be able to run any workload, block NAS, NS3 as well, to have built-in capabilities. So that this gives a lot of good data services to customers to
Right.
benefit from that. And all of this will eventually revolve around a great AI output.
It is true. And with the increasing number of malware and ransomware and cyber threats, it's very important for the data to be secured. And that's where the reputation precedes you, right?
True, definitely.
In the end, it's only a matter of time before your clients find out that your data is not secure.
Yep.
And
Exactly.
right.
I want to just mention something. This week coincides with our technical event of the year.
Oh.
It's called the Insight. It's in
Insight.
Vegas. Yeah. So that's our technical event in the year.
So it's the NetApp technical
Yes.
event of the year, and it's held every
It's
year
for partners, for customers.
in Vegas.
Yes, and it's this week.
Right.
The same week of GITEX. Every year in this event, we have a lot of new exciting announcements.
Oh,
So
are we going to announce something?
yeah, we're gonna see. I got you excited.
Yes.
So the major announcement this year is for a new infrastructure, specifically for AI workloads.
Specifically for AI workers.
Yeah. So it was purpose built for AI workloads.
Okay.
So initially we had 3 lines. We had the AFF A series, which is the performance flash, which gives sub-millisecond latency, very powerful.
Yes.
up to 1 million IOPS, sometimes a little bit more.
Okay.
We have the AFF-C series systems,
Right.
which are capacity flash, which have a decent performance, but others a little bit higher latency,
Yeah.
so a mid-tier. And then we have the hybrid flash. So these systems could be for backup use cases, for
Okay.
a little bit slow, but can scale a lot.
Right.
And dollar to terabyte, very good price.
Solid and
We
robust.
yes.
Yeah.
So now we're announcing a new system called AFX, and AFX is a bit different. It runs on tap as well. Again, the same operating system across all, same experience, right? So it runs on tap as well, but it's a scale-out system, which means you can scale out performance, you can scale out capacity separately, and that's a good thing. So it can scale up to 128 nodes. It's huge.
So beforehand, it wasn't separate.
So it was a different concept.
Right.
You can scale up and out.
Yes.
Yeah, but this system, you can scale out controllers only. You don't need to scale shelves as well.
Okay.
You might only require performance. You might only require shelves or disks, right? So again, when we say performance, it's not only about disks. Performance means throughput, IOPS, and latency, right?
Okay,
So
right.
if you need more throughput, you need more controllers, because the CPU and memory and the NVRAM on the controllers help with the performance as well, right? The network interfaces give you more throughput. So that's why sometimes you need to scale controllers. So imagine scaling up to 128 controllers, right? With
Yeah.
a very super fast 100 GB network in between. So this allows customers to scale, have their microsecond latency systems with up to 1 exabyte of data
Wow.
for AI projects. So purpose-built AI.
AI.
The good thing about it is you don't have to only run AI workloads on that. It
Yeah.
runs on tap, the same operating system. So you can even run other workloads. You can incorporate it inside your data center if you have other
Right.
AFF
Other AF.
or fast systems as well. So that's the
Fantastic.
new announcement I wanted to say.
That is amazing.
We have a lot of other announcements, but
you can.
this was the major one.
Elie, thank you so much for sharing
most
the
welcome.
NetApp innovations that are happening as we speak, and of course it's moving so quickly, and it's lovely to see how you're just staying ahead. And
We
and-
have to, because if not,
yes.
you'll be obsolete in no time.
Well, on behalf of Logicom, I thank you for being a part of Tech Talk at GITEX today.
Thank you so much, Alex. It was a pleasure meeting you
Yes,
and
me
having this
too.
discussion. It
Thank
was
you.
very smooth, and you made me feel relaxed. So thank you for that.
Thank you.